All right, just want to tell you, everything's firing up. Remember, the way this one was lighting, you got your glow plug here, 3, 4, 5 seconds. You can see that fires. And then this one, glow plug's not working, but open the gas to high. You can see it's on high, and then close this for a second. See, it just lit. And then number 3, pushing it in. See, it's not working, but don't worry. Turn it to high. Close the door for a sec. And that lit too. So if you can see, numbers 1, 2, and 3 are all lighting. All right, thanks.